Computex 2023 had a lot to offer, and we're sharing everything that was exciting with you. We got our hands on the all-new ASUS ROG Ally, and here's our first look at this handheld gaming console. The ASUS ROG Ally is a handheld gaming console that runs Windows 11 and is based on AMD's new ultra-low power Ryzen Z1 series processors. The brand offers two variants, one with the Ryzen Z1 Extreme SoC and another with the more basic Ryzen Z1. The ROG Ally comes equipped with two joysticks on the front along with action buttons, navigation keys, a view button, a menu button, a command center button, an armory crate button, left and right Hall effect analog triggers, left and right bumpers, and two assignable grip buttons. The console sports a 7-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen with a 7 millisecond response time and a 120Hz refresh rate. It can get as bright as 500 nits. It is protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus. The ROG Ally comes equipped with 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB of PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD storage. As for ports, the device has a 3.5mm audio jack, an ROG XG mobile interface for connecting an external GPU, one Type-C combo jack, and a microSD card slot. It has a 40 Wh battery and can be charged using a 65 Watt AC adapter. Battery life is a potential concern, but we will know more about this when the ROG Ally actually goes on sale. This console weighs 608 grams. It is relatively comfortable and feels well built. It's more compact and easier to hold than a Steam Deck. Casual games seem to run smoothly, and you can even get reasonable performance in recent 3D action games. The back does get quite warm, but if your hands are on the side grips, you won't feel that much. We'll test this in much more detail when we get our hands on an actual review unit closer to its launch. The ASUS ROG Ally also supports Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and Dolby Atmos. It even has a fingerprint sensor. Apart from these features, the ASUS ROG Ally will come with an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate 3-month subscription in some countries. Pricing and availability for the ASUS ROG Ally are still unknown. It can be pre-ordered in some parts of the world, but we don't have any information about if or when it will launch in India. Do let us know what you think about the device in the comments. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.